In this short video, I'll show you how to create a progress tracker in Excel so that you can monitor tasks, projects, or goals efficiently. First, make sure you've added your checkbox like this one. You can do this by highlighting your cells, going to Insert, and press Checkbox right here. Once you've gotten this, go ahead and select the cell you want the progress to be in. Insert this formula, equals count IF parenthesis. Now highlight the checkboxes in the row like this. Put a comma, true, parenthesis, and this symbol right here. Count A, parenthesis, and do the exact same thing again. Highlight the checkboxes like this, close parenthesis, and press enter. And there we go. Now it tracks the progress of the checkboxes. You can do this by highlighting the other cells like this as well. There you go. Now, if it's different on your end, you can always highlight the formula and go to Home and change this to percentage right here. Or it's also this one right here. Now you know how to create a progress tracker in Excel. You can watch this playlist if you ever get stuck with this problem.